Hello guys, thank you for tuning into my video. If you're using the Crypto.com app, you might have noticed this pay button in the top right corner. You've maybe checked it out, saw something about airtime and gift cards. It seemed confusing and you didn't bother to learn much more about it. Well, I personally think that this is one of the coolest features Crypto.com has to offer, and it seems like time will only make it brighter. So without any further delays, let's get right into explaining what this hidden gem is all about. Crypto.com Pay is basically a function that promotes utility of the Crypto.com coin. Here you will find a variety of ways to spend your unstaked CRO along with other currencies. The first and likely most popular one is gift cards. Here you can display different merchants in your region and buy digital gift cards that you can use in their online stores. You pay in crypto and the gift card information will be sent straight to your email address. What makes this really cool and better than buying gift cards the normal way is that you will get a percentage cashback in CRO on your purchase, similar to how their Visa cards work. I'm just gonna go ahead and show an example with IKEA, totally not because I'm from Sweden or anything. Here I can select how much I want to spend, and I can also get detailed information on how much cashback I will get if I have CRO staked for a card or not. Then I simply hit pay and it will allow me to select which crypto I want to pay with. Keep in mind that you have to use CRO if you want the cashback. After that, you simply review and accept the purchase. It's just a quick and easy way to pay with cryptocurrency. The next feature is airtime. This allows you to top up your prepaid phone balance with crypto. You can either choose to top up your own phone using the phone number that is connected to your Crypto.com app, or you can gift airtime to a friend by typing in their phone number manually. What's really cool is that Crypto.com automatically detects if your number is prepaid or available for topping up, so you don't have to fill in any special information or login details. All you have to do is type in the phone number and the amount you want to top it up with. Unfortunately, my phone is not prepaid, so I won't be able to display it here. Next up is the scan function, which is pretty simple. You just scan a QR code to someone's wallet address and you can pay them quickly from there. Not much to be added really, most wallets have this feature. Finally, we have send. This allows you to send crypto to your friends who are also using Crypto.com, similar to how Celsius Network has its sell pay function. You simply import your friends from your contact list and you can send them crypto right away. What's really neat, however, is that all of these pay functions are eligible for cashback. On gift cards, you can see the cashback right when you buy it. Airtime top-ups will give you 5% back in CRO, or 2.5% if you don't have any staked. Sending your friend CRO will give you 10% cashback up to $5 every month. Sounds like that could be easily abused, but then again, the cap is pretty low, so it's just a nice feature to have if you're splitting the bill or giving someone a crypto gift. I'm going to display a chart with all the cashback information on the screen now so you can read it through yourself. If you want a detailed summary of the cashback rewards, you simply press the Pay Rewards button. But as you can see, I haven't used it yet since it has been very limited in my country up until now. So just to wrap up this video, I'd like to give my personal opinion on this Crypto.com Pay feature. And overall, I think it is a really cool feature, but it gets overshadowed by the benefits of the Visa card. If you for example have an IC White card, you will get 5% cashback on your purchases no matter what. So then Crypto Pay becomes a bit useless in terms of rewardability. But if you for example have the Ruby Red card, you can get 5% cashback with gift cards when you would have normally only gotten 2%. So you will have to make this comparison if you can get more cashback from buying a gift card or just using the Visa card every time you want to shop with Crypto.com. It's nice to have the option anyways. What I do however really like are the scan and pay functions, mainly because these allow for those everyday person-to-person type of transactions. Let's say your mate is having a garage sale, he obviously won't be taking a card as a payment method. Well, if he does take crypto, it's nice to be able to send him immediately and also get at least a little bit of cashback on it. Overall, I just want to note the importance of crypto companies actually allowing us to use our crypto and not just holding it. It brings more purpose to it and could encourage new, otherwise skeptical investors to join in, which is something all of us in the end would benefit from. Nevertheless, it's going to be really exciting to see how companies like Crypto.com and Celsius Network will expand the utility of cryptocurrency in the future. Anyways guys, that's it for this one. Really hope you learned something new, and please do let me know what you think about CryptoPay. If you have any questions or corrections, you are always welcome to leave me a comment. See you in the next video. Until then, have a good one.